Connect the doorbell with the cell phone. First, take the back plate out and reset the doorbell.
System reset. The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Open the app. First, confirm your Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz. Next.
Pairing information received.
Password. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Learn Chinese phrase. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Apply. Okay. Back. Okay. Double click. The camera is moving from left to right, then right to left. Switch. Okay.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivered from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.
Let's take a closer look at the doorbell. First, we removed the back panel behind the doorbell and opened the battery cover. We can see that there are 2 batteries inside, because I bought a doorbell with batteries. If you place a doorbell without a battery, you will need to purchase the 18650 battery separately to install it. Second, we can download any home to install the smart device by scanning the QR code On the package, the QR code of the corresponding mobile phone system is on the package. After installing the software, we press and hold the reset button on the back for 5 seconds, waiting for the indicator light to flash slowly. Then, we can open the app we just installed. You need to allow all notification permissions, click the plus sign to enter the next step, select to install smart devices, and enter the loading state. And the network name will be obtained automatically. You only need to enter your network Wi-Fi password and adjust the phone volume to the maximum. This device only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, does not support 5G network Wi-Fi. You need to see this when you place an order. Please do not turn off voice reminder, otherwise, it will cause pairing failure. When the mobile phone emits sound waves, please keep quiet and put the mobile phone on the device about 30 centimeters, waiting for the device to configure the network. When the device is connected to the network, we will proceed to the next step, which is to enter the device name and password. The device name and password of this device are set by the customer himself. Note, the password requirement is 8 or more, including uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. Next, we need to select the location of the network to which the device is connected. Then, the device will automatically display the list. After this step, we have completed the installation. At this time, our mobile phone can see that the video is recorded in real time with a doorbell. Now, we can look at what's in the settings. This is a two-dimensional code. You can share it with your family through the two-dimensional code in app and keep in close communication with them. Let's look at PIR detection. We suggest that you can set PIR to low sensitivity. Finally, let's operate the installation of the doorbell. You need to fix the fixing plate on the wall and hang the doorbell in the buckle accurately. After installation, you can use it. When someone rings the doorbell, the mobile phone app will immediately display a reminder